asuntosakeyhtiö Säästö Martti.
Yes, and today is the 27th of October 2022, and we have Iivisniemenkatu 2 staircase G, and this is the last staircase in this residential building, but we're starting from it, and we will go towards the staircase A. And I filmed the staircase C in May 2019, so I don't need to film it again.
Yeah.
So it's a good video. And this was built in 1969, 50 years old in 2019. The silver is age 17240, and this is probably late 1969. And then the building 4 is early 1970.
Yeah.
So we expect in 2024. This is here in Iivisniemenkatu, Kaitaa, Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, North Finland. But the metro station should have been named Iivisniemenkatu.
Yeah.
It will open in just a bit more than a month from now, 3rd of December 2022. Let's take 2 rides here. We started on the lower base floor. I love this dark red style. It's very late 1960s.
Yeah.
I also love the sounds in here. The sounds are great.
Inspected by Iivisniemenkatu, maintained by Schindler.
It's only K and YK here. Maybe the reason why they didn't put AK here is that in late 1969 they didn't have a button available for it.
Yeah.
But there was basically also no need to put AK here, AK on lower basement floor. But in the building next to this, 1970, they put AK in the same.
That's